Today is May 4th. We're out at our farm in central Minnesota, and it is very windy today. So when we got here, all of our plastic mulch was blowing up over our plants, so we had to go through and meticulously cover them all with compost, or lay compost down on the bed, and then carefully go through and make sure that each plant wasn't tucked under the plastic mulch at all. So pulling out all the leaves and then laying down compost over it. So it looks like this now. We do have a bunch of trees. We planted over 100 trees last year, but it's going to take a long time for that to be a sufficient windbreak. So for now, when it's a windy day, this is what it looks like here. You can see the plastic over there blowing around in the wind. We're gonna have to put compost on that as well. And the other thing we're gonna do is we're going to fix our deer fence, which got knocked down during the winter. Okay, so the wind is probably really loud, but we uncovered all the transplants and we put compost around them. So they should be more wind resistant now. And Vaughn's going through and watering them with his watering can. And what are you doing, Vaughn?
I'm watering all of the plants that's in our garden.
What do we have planted right here?
Garlic.
Yeah, we have garlic right here. And you're watering the peas? Okay, thank you. Now it's time to fix the deer fence. Every winter, I don't know if it's just because of the cold and the ice and the snow, but our fence with every panel falls down like this. So we have to come out here in the spring and put it back up, and you can see how many times we've done it. You can see all the zip ties here. So we need a better fence solution, but we haven't figured it out quite yet.
Now we're going for a walk. Come on, let's take this back to the woods. Forest boys. What tree is that? This is an emble tree. Tell me about emble trees. Emble trees have one side that you need, and once the wood dies and the tree opens up, you can take the emble wood out, and it will turn into crumble wood. Wow. Wait, say that again. Wait, we made it.
I thought I'd come back here and take a quick shot of our land that you never really get to see in our other videos.
Oh, we went all the way around the perimeter and put the deer fence back up, so hopefully it stays secure now. The wind was pulling it down, I think. The wind and the snow. Looks nice now.